The Sean Wotherspoon Air Max. Today we're going to be talking about two things. The Sean Wotherspoon Air Max, right there. Second thing, it's going to be Harry Potter related, but we'll get to that. The Sean Wotherspoon Air Max. I love all these colors right here, different pastel colors. There's yellow, gray, pink, blue, purple, and jean. Looks like a dark forest green. So originally the shoe was part of a Nike contest. So Nike invited a bunch of designers to draw out a nice shoe. So this shoe retailed for $160. I got lucky and got the sneakers member exclusive, and now March 2019. So the reason why this jumped up in price, a couple weeks ago, Sean Wotherspoon actually got on Twitter and he announced that he is not working with Nike to make the promised shoes anymore. There were supposed to be two other colorways that come out. So before this shoe came around, he basically promised to release the shoes that led up to this. But he said that that's not happening anymore. One shoelace matches the white, next shoelace matches the blue, third shoelace matches the purple. Magnificent. It's a weird fabric in there. It's so soft. It's like a 70s inspired kind of material, and this with wear it actually makes the shoe look nicer, because it'll fray up, it'll look like a nicer shoe, basically the next step of the shoe and the next form, if you will. Cool thing about these shoelaces, have little gold tips right there. I don't think the other, nope, the rest are just see-through. There it is. Oh, it's not as cool as the original ones. Another nice feature about this, so it's really soft inside. There's a lot of cushioning, so it'll definitely shape up to your foot. Right here, as you can see, it says VA to LA. It's like a little Easter egg that Sean included. Here's another cool thing. Boom, that's pretty neat. I really like how this is a combination of two shoes. I love the colors. I like this little random Nike swoosh. I don't know why, but it flows. It definitely goes together. Definitely works. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my size, because when I got the notification on the sneakers app for that exclusive offer, the 9s were all sold out. So I got an 8.5. So the next thing, got this little fella. I'm actually gonna unbox them. Step 1. Step 2. Alright. There he is. Huh. He's okay. This is probably one of the coolest ones I have in my collection. Oh, wow. What a beaut. Alright, Hedwig, put you aside for a second. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another one from Ruby's Corner. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe. That would definitely help out my channel a lot.